So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video we are gonna discuss about fashion and clothing. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you, one of my viewers just asked me which model is great to generate fashion and clothing images. So let me tell you, first of all, I literally had zero idea about this and I literally suggested him some of the top models to generate images. As let me tell you that there are so many models right now available on Civit AI website as well, but I literally have zero idea about this. First of all, let me ask you guys, if anyone of you who is watching this video have any knowledge related to fashion and clothing and which model generates great images related to it, then do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, this time we will go with like 4 models I have selected. Like first of all, I'm selecting Dreamlike Photoreal. This time I'm going like Dreamlike Photoreal, Dream Shaper, Protogen X53 Photorealism, and Art and Eros model, as you can see over here. As all of the models are freely available on Civit AI website and you can go and download it from Civit AI. So let me tell you, I was just referring some of the web pages over here, and referring to this I was just getting the results. So yeah, sorry for that as well, but yeah, I'm just trying it for you so that you may know which model performs really great on fashions and clothing. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So as you can see, this is the first result that we got. Okay, so this is the first prompt that I'm using, full body shot of a woman wearing shade dress. So we are focusing on dresses and like clothing, so that's why I'm using parenthesis on like dress. So this is the way I'm using the prompt: fashion shoot style, front to camera, dynamic posing, detailed British face, and so on. So this is the prompt that I'm using, and yes, I'm gonna tell you is that I will just mess with the dresses. That's all I'm gonna do in this test. So yes, let's go and let's start the dress. So as you can see over here, this is the first result that we got. And one more thing that I'm gonna say you is that this time I'm not using Dreamlike Diffusion model because I want something like realistic images. That's why I'm using Dreamlike Photoreal. As you can see, this is amazing result over here, Dreamlike Photoreal as well. So you can see over here Dream Shaper. I just love the image generated by Dream Shaper. As you can see over here, amazing result. And Protogen as well, simple and yet so beautiful result as well. And as you can see over here as well, Art and Eros, this one is just amazing. Okay, so yeah, I can definitely tell you is that Art and Eros and Dream Shaper one from my side. You can decide from your side as well, but I just loved both of the result, like Dream Shaper and Art and Eros one. So this is the result that we got. First of all, we will try one more result, and yes, definitely let's see another result as well. So guys, this is the second result that we got, and you can see Dreamlike Photoreal, the generated image is just similar to like earlier dress, as you can see over here. And Dream Shaper, as you can see, I just love this image as well. I just love this, just a simple dress, simple prompt. And yeah, Protogen X53 also, as you can see, just a simple and so beautiful image. I don't know about fashion, so you can judge and you can say it on like comment section. So this is the result that we got, and this time Art and Eros as well, simple yet so beautiful image. So this is the result that we got, and yes, let's try to mess with like prompt and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this time I'm messing with the prompt. I just added the color white and brown shade dress, and let's see what result do we get quickly. So guys, this is the result that we got with this prompt. As you can see, not so like well, but yeah, the dresses are like something amazing. You can see over here, you can see this dress as well. You can see this dress as well on Dream Shaper. You can see it's amazing. I just love this result and love this result as well on Protogen as well, and on this Art and Eros as well. Okay, the result are pretty much amazing, as you can see over here. So now I will let you decide which model you will choose for this. I think so like Dream Shaper and Art Eros performed really great on this dress, and yes, Protogen as well. Let me tell you, I literally loved every image, but yeah, it depends upon you as well. So yes, this is the result that we got, and now let's jump on to our next dress. So guys, the next result that I'm gonna search is something called like ball gown dress, and yes, this is we are gonna search, and let's see what result do we get. I've already edited my prompt, as you can see over here, full body shot of a woman wearing ball gown dress, and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the first result that we got of a ball gown dress, and the result are pretty much amazing. As you can see, it's something like princess dress. Okay, so this is the result that we got, pretty amazing. I think so like Dream Shaper, Protogen X53 and Art and Eros, the dresses are pretty much amazing over here. You can see over here, I just love the dress on these 3 model compared to like Dreamlike Photoreal. But yes, it totally depends upon you. This dress on Dreamlike Photoreal is like totally simple, but yeah, it's great. I'm not complaining about this as well. But as you can see, the Dream Shaper, Protogen and Art and Eros perform literally great. So this is the first result that we got, and yeah, we will try to mess with prompt as well in this as well. So let's try to mess with prompt and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the result that we got with like pink and black ball gown dress. As you can see over here, the result are pretty much amazing. And once again, you can see Dreamlike photo real, just a simple image. I think so it's not getting great image with like ball gown dress, but yeah, I think so like Dreamlike diffusion will perform really great with ball gown dress. But as we have already continued with like Dreamlike photo real, so we will continue with Dreamlike photo real only. So let's continue. And as you can see over here, Dream Shaper, it's amazing result. I just love the Dream Shaper result as well over here, and Protogen X3 as well over, amazing result. And yes, art and arrows as well. It's simple yet so beautiful image. I just love the image on art and arrows as well. So as you can see, Dream Shaper, Protogen and art and arrows as well are performing really great with ball gown dress. But like Dreamlike photo real, yes, totally simple image. So now just enjoy couple of the more images with like different colors and different color styles, and then we will jump on to our next dress code. So just enjoy the images, guys. So guys, these were the result that we got with like ball gown dress, and yes, that was pretty much amazing. And now let's jump on to our next dress, that's called kimono dress, and let's check what result do we get. So guys, these are the result that we got. First result that we got of a kimono dress, and you can see over here Dreamlike photo real as well, amazing result with Dreamlike photo real and Dream Shaper as well. I think so every model like performed really great. I just loved every result over here. One more thing that I'm gonna say you is that guys, I literally have zero idea about fashion, but yet still I'm trying to show you the result of the model, as you can get the idea which model performs really great on fashion and clothing. So the next thing we will do is just add couple of things to prompt, just like white and orange floral kimono dress, and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the second result that we got. As you can see over here, I just added white and orange floral kimono dress. As you can see over here, the results are pretty much amazing. This time as well, I think so this is not a kimono dress, this is I think so bat dress, I don't know, but yeah, you can see the result over here. Dream Shaper, once again, I just love the image over here on Dream Shaper, and you can see this result as well. Protogen photorealism, I just love this image. This one as well, you can see the result over here. One thing that I'm gonna ask you is that are these dress with like art and arrows and like Dreamlike photoreal, are this kimono dress? I don't know much about it. Let me know in the comment section below what are these dress. But yeah, the result are amazing. I think so Dream Shaper, Protogen, I think so these are the amazing result that we got with like some edited prompts. And yeah, this is the result that we got. And now let me show you couple of the result that I got using kimono dress, and yeah, we will jump on to like next dress as well. So guys, those were the result that I got with like kimono dress, and this time we are going with like something called handkerchief hem dress. I got it from this website, as you can see over here, something like this. But yeah, you can see this is the result that I got. I think so they are not something like what we see in this image, but yeah, see the result that I got with this handkerchief hem dress. Yeah, we will try one more time and let's jump on to our next dress type and let's see what result do we get. So let's try one more result and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the second result that we got. I think so the results are not that great with this dress. I think so my choice is poor, but yeah, let's try on something like different type and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the next dress. I chose like halter blue dress. As you can see over here, this is the result that we got. Pretty much amazing result, as you can see over here. Okay, both Dream Shaper and Protogen, I think so both of them are pretty much similar dresses. As you can see over here, I just love the images. And yes, one thing that I'm gonna definitely say you is that I'm just literally poor in like I just have zero knowledge about fashion and those things. I think so if you have seen that Dream Shaper, Protogen and like Art and Eros literally performed really well with like fashions and clothings, I can definitely say that. Because if you have seen the earlier result that Dream Shaper, Protogen and like Art and Eros literally were performing really great. And yes guys, I will literally end this topic over here because I'm literally getting frustrated with like fashion and clothing. I'm not getting the desired result as we got. But yes, I can definitely say that Dream Shaper, Protogen and like Art and Eros were performing really great. So I think so like Dream Photoreal was not my good choice to go with like fashion and clothing, but yeah, you can try it as well. So this was the result. Dream Shaper, Protogen and Art and Eros. For me, like these three were performing really great. So that's it for today, and yeah, I will be showing some more images that I generated and I will end the video over here as well. So just enjoy the image, and that's it for today. I hope so you guys liked it. I know it was a boring topic for me, it was a boring, but yeah, but still I tried my level best to show you the images that I got. So I will just end the video over here, and yeah, just enjoy the images. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Enjoy the images guys. Bye guys.